climbs up. He climbs up the. Today we are going to learn prepositions, directions. Raj. He's Raj. He's there. He wants to go to this house. How? What's this? Word. Previous lesson. Previous lesson. What about this? River. What's this? Bridge. Bridge. River. River. What's this? Tree. Rope. Rope. What's this? Go. Come. What's this? Very good. Tunnel. Tunnel. He has to come here. He comes path. It's a path. Okay. He comes along the path. He comes along the path. Along. He comes along the path. He has to come this side. So wall, wall. Can't come. No. He climbs over. Over. He climbs over the wall. He climbs over the wall. Over. He climbs over the wall. Here. He climbs. He climbs up. He climbs up the steps. He climbs up the steps. Up. He comes across. 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 Okay. It's a river, bridge, across. He comes across the bridge. He comes across the bridge. He comes across the bridge. Across. Come, go. Come, go. He goes. He goes down. He goes down the steps. He goes down the steps. He goes down the steps. Down. Now. He climbs up. Okay. Tree. How? How? He finds a ladder. 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 He climbs up. He climbs up the ladder. Rope. He climbs down the rope. He climbs down the rope. He climbs down the rope. Okay. He goes. He goes. He goes through the tunnel. He goes through the tunnel. He goes through the tunnel. Through. Finally, he goes into the house. He goes into the house. He goes into the house. Into. Now tell me. He comes along the path. He climbs over the wall. He climbs up the steps. He comes across the bridge. He goes down the bridge. He climbs up the ladder. He climbs down the rope. He goes through the tunnel. He goes through the tunnel. He goes into the house. Now, exercise, okay? Quite simple, right? What's this? Very good. So, there are some numbers. How many numbers? How many numbers? 9. What are the prepositions? So prepositions here. Numbers. What are the prepositions? What are the prepositions we used? Okay. Example. He comes along the path. So number 1, along. Write it. Write it. Along. Number 2. What's number 2? Write it. Write it. Okay. 9. 9. What are the prepositions? Here. Okay. Pick it. Write it. Okay. Check it. Okay. Correct it. And your homework, write the sentences. That's it. If you like this video, please put a thumbs up and share it with your friends. See you on next lesson.